Sitting up there, John. Why are you blocking all the view?
I can't see over the railing.
It's her fault.
That's a good point, actually. That's a good point.
Lee, you too. Oh, man. Heavy goggles.
That's actually a really good point, John.
Thank you.
Look, you can see so much more. Just everyone sit on the top of the chairs now. It's way better.
Would you like to check with Victoria Police to see if they've called the defendant to see if they're turning up today? If not, then yes. If not, then I reckon we can kick this off early.
I don't know about the best.
Mine's pretty good.
John's is pretty big.
Mine's got mileage. That's the only downside, you know. It's got a bit of mileage.
Whoa, Jeff, too much information.
Your Honor, it's gone straight to voice.
Oh, I see. Alright.
I can service it for you.
Alright, everyone. The defense may not be turning up today, but I am going to grace them with several minutes to see if they turn up. Do apologise if everyone's waiting for this court case to kick off. It looks like maybe a little bit delayed.
Can I go on his behalf?
What was that?
Fucking anyone else but you, African man. Shit.
Listen, in life you have to trust people.
African man. His name is African man. He was running.
I think that guy said he wanted to take it in his place. That'd be funny as.
It's not can. The can you eat from is Africa.
Africa man.
African man.
Africuck man.
Jeff's correct, yeah.
Africuck man. I thought that's what it was.
Actually saying, you've just got a view. You've just got a view.
Now it's got an afro. Why the fuck do you have an afro now?
Hey, Scott.
Hey, Scott.
Hell.
Yeah, you can come to a beer if you want.
What
There's room
the
in the middle.
fuck?
Sit in between Jeffrey's legs if you want.
Oh, everyone.
Oh no.
Everyone's getting shot every time someone runs to the door. Oh.
Can you please request Sheriff Bellestrade bring Officer Cody up here, please? I see you walk. I see you just walked in.
Sheriff Bellestrade, can you get Officer Cody up here, please?
Like how you do in the cinema or something. When the magistrate says.
Yeah, but this would be different. It's like.
Sorry, is this a bit better now?
Schnitzel in my pockets, like wet gravy schnitzel leaking through my pockets.
Did you give me a V can? Like the big one or the small one?
Yeah, big one.
Can you bring Officer Cody up here, please?
Green one, of course.
Good.
At request of the magistrate.
That's really
The blue one's good. What's wrong with the blue one?
Of course you like the blue one, Ben. Of course you like the blue one.
Just as good as each other. They're
Can everyone
just
stop
as good
yelling?
as each other. Sorry.
Well, you used a very easy word on it.
No, where does Scott go?
Don't know.
Welfare.
Can I get one Big Mac? One extra
We already made the order, James.
What?
Jeff, you want to
We've already
make
made
me
the
Scott
Uber
a
Eats
bit?
order. It's too late. You should have said
Did you give
something.
me 10 nuggies?
No,
It's already been ordered.
I fucking
It's
hate
already
it.
been ordered. We can't make the driver go turn around.
I'm never buying
I don't think there was
I
one.
mean,
You can have some of the
$100
potato
pizza
salad.
or anything.
I think there was a Nathan.
Nathan?
Throw back a potato salad.
Oh,
There they go.
I thought it was Officer Cody that was there.
Did you buy potato salad? Why the fuck?
That's okay. I think we'll get started. Alright, it seems that the defense is not turning up today, so we're going to continue in their presence. My name is Junior Magistrate Woodman. I'm here today to hear the court case of Victoria Police versus a Frank Grimes. Don't tolerate any outbreaks or yelling within my courtroom. Any yelling or any of that kind of mischief will be met with contempt of court. I do have several sheriffs here that will deal out charges willingly. Prosecution, please step forward, identify yourself, present the evidence you wish to bring forth today, and any witnesses or testimony.
Hello, Your Honour. My name's Leading Scene Constable Drain Oxens from Victoria Police. The individual I'm bringing forth is Mr. Grimes, Frank Grimes. The charges I'm looking to push is possession of an explosive or incendiary device without legal authority, attempted murder police, possession of a weapon, firearm without legal authority, resist arrest, and discharge a firearm in a public place. And the evidence I have is one Tech-9, one smoke grenade, a search person's receipt, my own testimony, and a witness statement from another officer.
I wonder if they're still in that Tech-9.
I see. Please bring that evidence forward to me. Make sure that firearm is unloaded. Is this particular incendiary device been disarmed?
Yes, it should be, Your Honor.
Excellent. I don't want to start throwing it around in case I blow someone up.
Yeah. There you go, Your Honor.
Excellent. Alright, because the defense isn't here, you may step forth and present your testimony.
Alrighty, Your Honor. So around 3 p.m. early this afternoon, officers heard automatic shots being fired at the pool hall. Upon further investigation, police saw a man wearing a Pale Rider's cut, holding a Tech-9 and shooting at the window of pool hall. Police then went to arrest the individual. Once the suspect spotted police, he handed the Tech-9 off to another individual at pool hall. Officers then arrested the individual that shot and went to frisk everyone there to see if they had the firearm. The people at pool hall were non-compliant and did not want to be frisked. Officers then went to detain everyone and then frisked them. As officers approached Mr. Grimes to detain and frisk, he then ran off on foot towards the back of pool hall. Officers pursued the individual on foot. As Mr. Grimes was running to the back of pool hall, he pulled out a Tech-9 and opened fire on 3 police officers. Officers then shot back, although Mr. Grimes jumped off the side of the pier and then became incapacitated. Officers then went to apply medical treatment. During treatment, Mr. Grimes was searched, in which officers found one Tech-9 with a suppressor and drum mag, along with a smoke grenade. Mr. Grimes was then taken to Pillbox Hospital for medical treatment. I'd like to bring up my witness now, Evan Jones, please.
Yes, please bring them forward.
Sit it stands. The seat next to the magistrate.
Do you promise not to mislead the court under threat of perjury?
I do.
Please proceed, prosecution.
Alrighty. Were you the officer that was near pool hall that heard shots being fired?
I was the second arriving unit on scene.
Alright. And
Speak up.
Did you
Can speak up, please?
Did you witness the individual that was shooting hand off a Tech-9 to another individual at the pool hall?
That's correct. As I was arriving, I observed the male in question handing it over to a female.
Okay. And what did you do after that?
So we waited till the third unit arrived, just due to numbers. As the third unit arrived, we approached the male in question, the initial male. He got a bit agitated. We then separated everyone, and as we went to pat down the female and the male that was meant to be before the court today, they've refused, and then the male has literally run away from officers. We've pursued, where he's pulled out a firearm and started discharging at police.
Okay, and just to confirm, the male that you're talking about is Mr. Frank Grimes?
That is correct.
Okay, and did any of the bullets he fired make contact with you?
Yes, I got one bullet in the right arm.
Okay, no further questions, Your Honour.
You may step down.
The prosecution also rests.
All right, thank you. Please take a seat. All right. With the evidence presented to me today and the fact that defence has not turned up to even defend themselves, I'm leading this court case to be finished. Guilty on all charges. Prosecution, please add in a charge of contempt of court for not turning up. Also, a failure to attend court, and issue a warrant for their immediate arrest. Court is dismissed. My ruling is final.
Your Honour.
Not a problem. Have some evidence for you.
And what was the week? Sorry, the sentencing.
300 in total.
Beautiful. All right. And is that just
can I give you this too? I can't use it. Maybe you can find someone that can.
That's all right. And with that contempt of court, was that what kind of contempt of court?
Unfortunately, I can only submit a petty contempt of court. So that would be $500, I believe. There's no weeks attached to that one. The failure to attend, I believe, is a fixed charge.
Yes.
Not too sure how much that is.
Yeah, the failure to attend, I'm not sure, but yeah, the petty contempt of court is just an on-the-spot fine.
Yes, that's correct.
But I'll get that written up for you right now, Your Honour.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Seriously, thank you.
Thank you, Sheriffs, for attending.
No,
Looks like that particular person may be dumbstruck. I'm
waiting on me.
I'm 99% sure he owes money to the government.
I think he's on a payment plan currently.
I see. Excellent. Have a good evening. Stay safe.
Thank you.
All right.
Of course.
See you later.